Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Wa alaikum assalam. Alhamdulillah. How are you?
So let us know about what you did for hijama. How many sessions and why did you come to do hijama for, and what has it benefited you?
Well, I want to be quite honest with you. I did not believe in hijama before. And since my friend Abir, she's actually my best friend, like a sister to me, she did her course, and I wanted actually to participate somehow in her this new journey. And we did, like, I was one of her study cases. And from the first time I did the hijama, I felt like I was spiritually lifted, um, less stress, and more energetic. So I did about maybe, I think, the whole body. We did like 3, 4 sessions. Usually we do 3 sessions for a whole body, but I was lucky. I was one of her study cases. Even we did the exam on me, so I got luckier.
You
I
got a few or more, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it was really good.
What was your main health concerns?
Well, I'm a diabetic, and
Blood pressure.
blood pressure, also high cholesterol. And after doing the hijama and taking some diet tips from Abby, it helped a lot. And I feel like more positive, more optimistic, spiritually lifted. I don't have headache, alhamdulillah. I used to have headaches all the time. After she did the one on my hair, on my head, without even shaving my hair, that was really, really good. I never, alhamdulillah, I never experienced any headaches. Even actually, I got a couple of compliments about my skin. A couple of people asked me what did I do about my skin, and I know I did not do nothing, but I feel like I have a fresh look. So after each session, there was a different reaction. Sometimes I am so energetic and so like the second day I would be so sore because of how much I've done through the day. Sometimes one time I was sleepy, and the best thing, like Abby always advised, listen to your body. Your body is your best teacher. So if you're very energetic, just go for it. If you're sleepy, go for it as well. Sometimes there is very, very slim change, like you can't feel nothing. But shortly, hijama helped me with my back pain, with my I had knee issues. I'm feeling much better now, alhamdulillah. um, I used to be wheezy. I used to do like breathe heavy. After she's done one on my chest area, it was really good. I felt like I can take a deeper breath. What else?
Yeah.
I just can't say enough about the positive outcome.
So we did
hijama.
the hijama with the diet, right? So how did that help you with the diet too?
With the diet, I feel actually about the blood pressure. I don't know if it is. It's like yes, hijama helps. It's a tool, but also we have to do our homework. We have to make healthier choices in life, and being less stressful. That helps you to make healthier choices in life. And
And how is your diabetes now?
it's good. It's not as high as it used to be. It used to be 15 and up. Now it's between 9, 8, 7.
That's really good.
Yeah. And with the diet tips, I I got a few tips from Abby. I'm actually applying them. I did the figs and olive oil, and it's really good for the digestive system, and it helps in constipation and other things. I had a problem with constipation before. It's now back to normal, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Also, she told me about the pickled
Sauerkraut?
yes, that one also. It's about the probiotics, and I'm drinking the lemongrass tea. It's really good as well. So I'm listening to her, and it's like I'm a big believer in hijama. I would advise anybody to try it. It's not painful at all.
Yeah.
Especially with Abby, she just and I really love the massage before the hijama as well. and it's just not painful at all. And even though I'm diabetic, my body heals up really fast.
Yeah.
Like I don't have any marks on the skin at all. Actually, just to let you know, I'm thinking to do the face. You might think I am crazy. Yeah, I am crazy, but
That's future plans,
yeah,
inshallah.
yeah, inshallah. What else? I can't really describe all the positive outcome. I like words cannot describe the positive outcome of the hijama.
That's good. I think you said enough. Thank you so much. All right.
Pleasure. Thank you.